Hello everyone, this is Unboxer King and welcome to the channel. So for this video, I'm going to be unboxing some copies from the Hello Monster. This is the 2025 Baby Monster First World Tour. So I order about 4 merchandise but I only have 3 here. The one is the bulk pack. I am expecting it to arrive in a later date and I am actually going to be unboxing it on a separate video because the photo card there are random, so it's gonna be exciting to do a separate video for that one. But I do have 3 merch here. This is the collect book. I also have the music video photo puzzle. And then we have here the music video behind photo package. So we'll start with the collect book. By the way, before I start, when I ordered it, it comes with a pre-order benefit. So these are the pre-order benefit. I have 3. So I got Asa, and then I have Rora, and then I have Ruka. So those are the 3 photo cards that I got for the pre-order benefit. I'm gonna be getting one for the bulk pack as well. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna be collecting this one, but I already have 3. If I get more, probably will just buy the remaining photo cards somewhere else. Okay, so let's proceed with the unboxing. We'll start with the collect book. Let me move this aside. Okay, so we'll start with the collect book. So this is the front, and then this is the label. Hello Monster, BB Monster Horn, PVC photo card collect book. I really like this one. This is a different concept from the usual collect book from YG. There you go. So this is the front. And then we have here the back. And then you open it like this. And there you go. So I'm not sure how many sleeve here. Probably around 100 sleeve. But this is really cool. The concept and then the way they assemble this one, I really like it. But what we want from this one is, because this comes with a complete OT7 photo cards. So these are the photo cards or the inclusion for this one. Okay, nice. So these are the backs. Standard, no name at the back. So we have 7 here. So we have here Ruka. There you go. So let's just line up all the photo cards in the side. So we have Ruka, we have Parita. Nice. And then we have Asa. Then we have Ion. And then we have Rami. And then we have Rora. And lastly, we have Chiquita. There you go. So those are all the 7 photo cards for the collect book. Let's now unbox our next merchandise, which is the music video behind photo package. So this is the packaging. Like this color combination. I really like this particular merch because it comes with 2 set of photo cards. So it means there are 14 photo cards here. Okay, so we'll start with this one. This is the frame. So they have the frame for Really Like You. Nice. And then Love in My Heart. So for this particular merchandise, there are 2 sets. One set from the music video of Love in My Heart, and the other one is from the Really Like You music video. It also comes with a Polaroid set. So I would assume that there are 2 set of Polaroid as well because this is thick. Okay, so these are the Polaroids. Nice. And then these are some photo from the Really Like You MV when they are wearing the Baby Monster hoodie. Pajama, actually. There you go. So those are the Polaroids. And then we have, Yes, two set of photo cards. So as a Baby Monster OT7 photo card collector, this is really great considering that you are assured of getting all members. So let's start with the first set, which is Love in My Heart. This is the back. And then we have here the photo card for Ruka. And then we have Parita. And then we have Asa. And then Ayon. And then Rami, Rora, and lastly, Chiquita. Nice. Okay, and then this one is the Really Like You photo card set. Okay, so they are wearing the pajama here. So we have Roka, Parita, Asa. I like this short hair of Asa. Ion. As you know, Ion is my bias in Baby Monster. We have Rami, Rora, and Chiquita. Nice. Okay, so those are the photo cards that are included in this packaging. The last item that we have is this one. This is the Hello Monster Baby Monster music video behind photo puzzle. There you go. So I guess we're going to be assembling a puzzle with this one. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, nice. Okay, so I guess that the puzzle is already uh I was actually expecting that the puzzle will be loose and we're gonna be assembling it, but it is already done. So I'm not gonna be removing this because it's really good sealed. So I'm just gonna show you guys the puzzle. So this is the puzzle, or this is the back of the puzzle, and then this is the puzzle itself. It's the same photo as the cover of the packaging. Nice. Okay. So let's look at the inclusions. So again, it has Polaroid set, but I think this one is just one set because it's a bit thinner than the first one. So we have here the members. Nice. There you go. Those are the Polaroids. And then again, this comes with a photo card set. So I get the same as the photo package. It comes with a Really Like You photo cards and then Love in My Heart photo cards. Okay, we'll start with the Really Like You. So this time, instead of the pajama concept, they are wearing the school uniform in this particular merchandise. So you'll have an idea if what particular photo card are you gonna get in each of the merchandise. So we have here Ruka, then we have Parita there, Asa, Ion, Rami, Rora, and Chiquita. Nice. And then last photo cards that we have is this one. So these are the backs for the Love in My Heart photo cards for the photo puzzle. So we have here Ruka, Parita. I like this photo card of Parita. We have Asa, Ion, Rami, Rora, and Chiquita. Nice. There you go. So these are all the photo cards that I pull from the three merchandise that I purchased. I'm still waiting for my bulk trading pack. I hope you would watch out for my unboxing for that one. But for now, I am excited with this particular merchandise. I am collecting 77 photo cards for this, and that would be stored on my Baby Monster binder. So if you want to watch that or you want to join my journey in collecting Baby Monster photo card, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any question, comment down below. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.